Well, I don't know what you folks are up to today, but I sure think it's about time to grab the old toolbox and get to replacing this old Teflon seal. Alright guys, we're at the part of the show where we're going to do the Teflon seals. This is pretty standard in any Ford vehicle, any of the newer ones, and basically it's a Teflon ring. It should come in your kit. If not, you get them from the Ford store or really anywhere. Two different sizes. The larger one, of course, would be for the low pressure, and the one with the pressed hose would be the low pressure and smaller one. Alright, so the problem with these guys is they look like they would be no problem, right? You could just spin them on, but you can't because they're just a little too small. And the idea is they're going to fit in that track right there. You see it at the very bottom. And that's all we're really looking for, is because that's all it's going to take to seal it. But I tell you what you can do. You can go get you a little 3/8 extension like this. Slide it up on. You see how it's got the little riser. You can just kind of stretch it a little bit. You don't want to go crazy. You just want it to be good enough to, just barely good enough to fit over, because these things break really easy and they only give you one, so, and you don't want to reuse them. So this is just one of those things. Just slow down, take a second, check for fitting, right? Let's see if that fits it. If it fits it, we're good to go. And if not, we will come right back and stretch it a little more, because I am not about to break this. Back to the Ford store we go. Never reuse these things are, in one sense they work really well, because they almost never leak. I've never had a problem with them leaking. And I don't know if you're catching this or not, but it's definitely rolling on there. See how it's kind of got it started? And it's just a gentle roll all the way to the end. Well, unless you do just that. Apparently I didn't have it on like I thought I did. And like I said, all we're really trying to do is just get it to the end. There we go. She's starting to come now. See that? I'm going to try to, there we go. Squeeze it up. I feel it on the back side. Just a little piece there. Okay, there we go. So now we have, you see it's spinning free. And now we have a Teflon seal in place, and that's all there is to it. Like I said, a little patience, a 3/8 drive, and you're going to be good to go. But like I said, it might take more than one shot to make it happen. That's okay. Don't get in a hurry. Remember, the long way is the short way.